everyone, welcome back to another episode of the home workout series. Today we have a new set of animal or the primal moves. Now that we have mastered almost all the basic moves of the animal or the primal moves, let's see some combination moves. Before starting workout, make sure you do a proper warm-up. The link to the warm-up is been mentioned on the description. Also make sure you have a pair of gloves and a good pair of shoes so that you can avoid the impact on the hand and the feet. So let's see how we can do it. First one is the bear to kick through. So what you do is you come to a bear position with your knees off the floor, back parallel to the floor, abs pulled in, head neutral, and then from that position you bring the hand off, bring the left leg forward and you kick forward and you come back to neutral position. Again bring the leg forward, bring it down, back, and kick, back, back, leg forward, there, back, up. Onto the gorilla to the kick through. So what you do is from a squatting position, you do a gorilla and you kick, you come back to squatting position, you do a gorilla to a kick, you come back to a squatting position, again gorilla, kick, come back to squatting position, you do a gorilla, kick, back, squatting. Bear to push up. So what you do is you come to a bear position with your knees off the floor, abs pulled in, and from that position with the head neutral, what you do is you go back to a plank position. From the plank position you go down, you push, exhale, come up, again back to the bear position, back to plank and push up. To the bear crab roll with the kick through. So what you do is you come to a bear position with your abs pulled in, head neutral, knees off the floor. From there you turn and come to a crab. From crab to a bear again with the kick through, and you come to bear, do a crab again, come to a bear, kick through, bear, turn, crab, turn, bear, kick through, bear, turn, crab, turn, bear, kick through. Onto the loaded beast with the kick through. So what you do is you come to a plank position like that. From that position you just get back, you come to a loaded beast and then you kick through forward. You bring the leg back, come to a plank position, you get back, you do a loaded beast, you come up, kick through, get back, come to the plank position, Again, get back. Left forward. Kick. Back. Plank. Get back. Inchworm to the push-up. So what you do is you raise your hand up, go down, do an inchworm, come to a plank position. From the plank position you go down, exhale, come up, and then you do an inchworm, come up, bring your hands up, go down, come to a plank position, inhale, exhale and push up, come back to inchworm position. I hope you will enjoy doing this workout, and it would definitely be a challenging one. For a beginner, you can try 30 seconds of each move, an intermediate 60 seconds, and an advanced person 90 seconds of each move. You can try 2 to 3 sets of the entire workout. Before you go, make sure you do a static stretching and recovery. The link to the static stretching is being mentioned on top of the screen. You can also see the link on the description. Before you go, make sure you give a like, and you can also send the workout to your friends and family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.